Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to install the GCC compiler in Ubuntu. So let's get started. First of all, open the terminal. Okay. First of all, let's check if the GCC compiler is installed or not. So for this, type the sudo GCC version, type the password. See, no GCC command found. It means that GCC compiler is not installed on this machine. So to install the GCC compiler, let's first update the app packages. So for this, type the command sudo apt update. Once the application package is updated, after that we will install the GCC compiler. I will speed up the process. Now the packages has been updated, and let's type the command for installation of the GCC compiler. Sudo apt install GCC. Type yes. Now the GCC compiler is downloading, and after that it will be installed on this Ubuntu machine. Now the GCC compiler is installing. To make sure that the GCC compiler is installed or not, let's type the command sudo GCC version. See, before the installation of GCC, when we type the command, so it was showing that no GCC has been installed. See this command sudo GCC command not found. After the installation, when we type the same command, is showing that GCC has been installed successfully. Now to test the GCC compiler, let's run a hello world program in this GCC compiler. For this, make a file with the name hello.c. make sure the extension is .c and open this file and type the command, write the program include type the hello world. Now save this file, and to run the file and execute for this, come back to the terminal, type sudo gcc, name of the file hello with the extension c, flag output will be, for example, abc. So the file has been compiled successfully. To run this compiled file, type the name of the file abc hello world. So the GCC compile is installed and it is working successfully. So thanks for watching.